is Ami. Bienvenue à You, Me and French. Hello friends, welcome to my channel You, Me and French, and you are learning French with me, Trupti, and hope you are learning vocabulary with me, Trupti. So today we will learn about kitchen, means à propos de la cuisine première partie, means part 1. In this video we will learn some basic things which we find in our kitchen, and part by part we will learn most of the vocabulary so that we will be bravo in our vocabulary about kitchen. So let's start. So let's start with our first word, refrigerator. Refrigerator is le refrigerateur. Concentrate on spelling and pronunciation. Okay, le refrigerateur. Le refrigerateur. Good. Next word is coffee maker. Coffee maker is la cafetière. La cafetière. La cafetière. Then toaster. Toaster is le grille-pain. Le grille-pain. Le grille-pain. Then mixer. Mixer is le mixer. Easy. Le mixer. Le mixer. Then oven. Oven is le four. Concentrate on pronunciation. It's not four, it's four. Le four. Le four. Then microwave. Microwave is le four à micro-ondes. Oh my god, so horrible, la. But we don't have any other option. We need to remember. Le four à micro-ondes. Le four à micro-ondes. Le four à micro-ondes. Le four à micro-ondes. Good, you can do that, I know. Le four à micro-ondes. And last, so that's it for today, and you need to practice it. I will take more words in next part. Till then, you need to remember all words. You need to practice with spelling and pronunciation as I say more and more, because as you remember, you will have bunch of words to express your things, right? And I think these are our day-to-day life things. So as we see and we remember, and that process is very fast, so it's very easy and it's very funny and entertaining way to learn a language. So why can't we try? So till next video, take care of yourself and your family. Au revoir, bisous, bisous, and bye bye. See you soon.